Hydrapep Bubble PEP provides relief for people suffering from various respiratory illnesses. Blowing bubbles through the tubing into water creates pressure in the lungs and airways. This helps keep them open and improves airflow in and out of the lungs. The vibration from the bubbles helps to break up mucus. Follow these simple steps when using Hydrapep. Fill your Hydrapep with clean water up to the 10 cm mark. Insert the tubing through the lid so that the end of the tube rests on the base of the bottle. Make sure that the holes in the tubing and mouthpiece do not line up or overlap with each other. Breathe in, then place the mouthpiece in your mouth and blow bubbles in the water for 5 seconds. Do this 10 times. Cough or huff, then rest for 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat steps 3 and 4 1 to 2 more times. Perform this program 3 times a day. Remember to rest if you are feeling lightheaded or dizzy, and continue only when symptoms have resolved. Always read the label, use only as directed, and if symptoms persist, see your doctor or healthcare professional. For more information, visit our website. Breathe better, be better with Hydrapep Bubble PEP.